Oh, what a noble mind is here o'erthrown, that courtiers, soldiers, scholars, eye, tongue, sword, the expectancy and rose of the fair state, that glass of fashion and mould of form, the observed of all observers quite down, an eye of ladies most deject and wretched, that sucked the honey of his music vows. Now see that noble and most sovereign reason, like sweet bells jangled out of tune and harsh. That unmatched form and feature of blown youth, blasted with ecstasy. Oh, woe is me, to have seen what I have seen. See what I see.